this thing's done. Let's get this out of the skillet and get it plated up here and try to get it sliced up. But I just want to show you the crust here. See, that's about the doneness that I like. You can cook them a little bit longer, but this is pretty crispy as it is here. So we'll go ahead and get our knife here and get her sliced up into a slice and show you what this thing looks like here. Man, that cheese is just dripping out of there. That's awesome. We can get this thing to cut. There we go. All right, check this out right here. And I want you to see this. Check this cheese out here. Look at that. Just hanging off of it. Let's give it a try and see what it tastes like. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that'll work. Let's see, get a couple more here. Oh, yeah, that's going to work. Ham and cheese quesadilla, folks, right there. That's what it's all about. We appreciate you guys. Y'all have a great day. It's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. We'll be seeing you again. Have a great day. Bye-bye.